Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to this video on the myEcon compensation plan for 2025 updates. What you need to know. Are there any changes coming? And we're going to break that down in this video. I'm going to actually break down what's about to happen, what you need to know, and how this may or may not affect you. So, there are no actual changes to the compensation plan itself. We're going to talk about really two main things. Number one, what is the actual commission on the entry point, the day that someone joins, and then the monthly renewal. Those are really the two main points to the myEcon compensation plan. So here in 2025, it is January. It is the end of January 2025 at the time of this video, depending on when you watch this. Now, there's going to be a new addition, and it's going to be a new entry point to the myEcon compensation plan. It's not going to have anything to do, well, it's not going to necessarily affect the monthly residuals. Those are all going to stay the same. I'll show that slide here in a minute, but it will affect the entry points. There's currently 3 entry points to the myEcon compensation plan. You have the $25 level, the $45 level, and the $100 level. Okay. Those are all staying exactly the same. Nothing has changed from the last few months. All of that is exactly the same. What is going to be changing is once myEcon rolls out the global membership, the entry point to global is going to be different from the current 3 entry levels. Okay. So we'll get to the monthly residual here in just a minute, but it is going to add that. So what is the actual global membership? So I'm going to kind of write here right at the top of the screen, bear with me as best as you can on my trackpad writing here. So global. What is the global membership to join? Well, it is going to be $59. I think myEcon has established that and communicated that back to some of the leaders. It is going to be $59 to join as a global member. But now the question is, where does that person fall? Does that person fall over here into the EBM level, or are they at the FSM level? Well, here's what I know so far. When someone joins at the global level, they're going to land right here as a FSM membership level, okay? Because there is going to be a $35 commission that gets paid out when someone joins at the $59 level. Now, let's just be honest here. I'm going to talk straight facts and numbers. That is a little bit less of a percentage than when someone joins at the current USA only signups, either the $25, $45, or $100 signups. There's about a 75% commission that gets paid out on there. So why is it a little bit less when someone joins as a global member? Well, 2 real main reasons for that. Number one, merchant accounts. And this is something that you don't really have to worry about or thinking about, but it is something that does play a factor in. So I'm just giving you the knowledge and the education here. Merchant accounts, when a US-based merchant is paying overseas, there are higher fees. So plain and simple, you have to build in some of those fees into the commission. And, that's why it is $35 instead of saying, like $45. Now, the other reason why it's a little bit lower than the traditional US-based membership is also for the actual fee to the travel membership, because the product, the service that is going to be made available from myEcon to the global or international member outside of the USA is the travel membership. Okay. For each travel membership that myEcon has, it costs myEcon $10 per person per month. Okay. So I want you to realize that. So there's an actual fee on the back end. Now, when someone joins, I'm just going to write this over here. Okay. When someone joins at the $100 level, okay, and gets access to the EBM membership, which comes with the travel, that $10 is built into that price. So in other words, the person is paying more. That $10 gets factored in. It does not come out of the commission. So when someone joins at the $100 level, there's a $70 direct commission. Okay. So again, about 70%. Now, when you look at global and someone joins here, the commission percentage is a little bit less. And that's because the $10 for the travel membership to pay for the actual travel membership is factored into that. Okay. So I want you to know and understand what the commission levels are, so you can kind of just, put that in there, understand the percentages, what you actually get. So the day that somebody joins global as a global international member, $59 for them to join. If they join you directly, you're going to get a $35 commission. And they are going to be considered, as far as I know right now, okay, everything that I've seen so far on the inside here, okay, they're going to be considered a FSM level of membership here with myEcon. So where does that factor? How does that factor into, okay, how does that factor into renewals? Well, plain and simple, it's pretty straightforward. You head on over here and you look at the actual renewals. If they're at the FSM membership level, nothing changes. Everything on the renewals is exactly the same. The only difference there is the entry point, okay? So what is the renewal specifically for the global member? Now, the pay is the same. What the global member is going to be paying is actually going to be a little bit different. So the US-based members, for their FSM membership level, they're going to be paying about $40 a month. I think it's $41.95 specifically. And then the EBM level of membership is $59.95, or we'll just call it $60 per month. Okay. So these here are specifically USA, right? USA right here. Boom. Okay. That's what they're going to be paying. So what does the global member pay? I'm just going to put G for global. What are they going to pay when they renew every single month? Well, this is going to be really easy to figure out. It's going to be 59 in, okay, and 59 a month. Simple, easy, all of that. Now, again, the global membership is going to fall into the FSM category, and it's going to pay out the same way every single month with those renewals, okay? So that's just the understanding that I have as of right now. I don't believe that is going to change. So you can see there, obviously, the commissions based on, it's similar structure here. It's more of a EBM level of payment, but again, you also have to factor in those two very important things there, okay? You have to factor in the merchant accounts, charging additional fees to pay overseas, and also you have to factor in the cost of the travel membership, where it would normally be built in, and for the international members, it's going to be in addition to, okay? So that's why the commissions are structured the way that they are. So I hope this makes sense, pretty straightforward. But if you have any questions, left my phone number right here at the top of this video. Send me a text message, drop a comment right here on this video. But there you go. Now you can understand what the price points is, what the actual addition to the compensation plan is going to be for 2025 once Global officially rolls out, which should be at the time of this video very, very, very soon. Very excited about that. Now, one thing that I want to add here, and I've been getting a lot of questions on this, can an international member market here in the USA, and can they market the traditional US-based FSM and EBM membership levels? And the answer to that, my friend, is yes. So no matter where you are in the world, what country you are in, you will be able to market all of the access points, whether it's the $25 level, $45 level, $100 level here in the United States. If you're in New Zealand, Australia, South, Africa, wherever you are, you'll be able to market here in the United States and bring on US-based members. And vice versa, if you're in the US, you can obviously market to international members. If you're international, you can market to international. So it's going to be wide open for you. But I wanted to break down the numbers. I wanted to break down basically the additions and how that's going to make sense, and what you're going to see coming up once they actually roll out the membership there. So as far as the monthly residuals go, those are all going to remain exactly the same. The only thing that's really going to change on the front end is the entry point, which is that new level of international or global for $59 to join. And then it'll be $59 per month. So there you have it, my friends. That is your video. Cannot wait for Global to officially be released. It is going to open up the floodgates and bring on thousands and thousands and thousands of brand new members to myEcon. And I'm telling you guys right now, for those of you guys that are overseas, you're going to absolutely love the myEcon compensation plan, because it's absolutely incredible, and it's about as straightforward as you get. It's a really incredible opportunity to make crazy residual monthly income. Appreciate you, man. If you are at this point in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content. You, my friend, will be the first to know. If you haven't got started yet with myEcon, link in the description down below. Get yourself started. And of course, any questions, hit me up. Happy to help you out. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one.